Hi Phil, right?
Here we are, mate. Cheers again.
Cheers.
There we go. We're trying to get two videos out this year. That's my goal.
It's time we should think of
Yeah, it's still pretty cold.
Belgium, France, that's our area.
Yeah, let's go Stella. Someone hit my door.
Oh.
Let's go Stella. Stella Artois.
Oh, I've got the right hat.
I hope we haven't got any French viewers.
Yeah.
We haven't got any anymore.
No, we never had any in the first place, Phil.
Or is it Belgium?
Belgium.
Should we get on with this?
Yeah, let's make it.
It's
Stella Clown. Pilsner.
Pilsner
Bohemian.
and Saaz.
Saaz hops.
Right, let's get on with it. Right, should we put the overhead cam on?
Got the scissors.
No.
You sure?
Yeah. Tease it, tease it.
Are you talking about opening a bag, Phil?
There we go, look.
Ready, Phil? So many litres we got, Phil?
33 litres. Well, that's good TV, that isn't it?
What's that? A bag?
A white
bag. Yeah.
bag.
Dump it in, you can't see anything.
The trick is, viewers, pour it in slowly.
Yeah. And put the pump on. It's certainly dry.
It's up to Dan now. Done my bit.
I'm up to your while, Phil, mate. This is the freshest Pilsner we can get, lads.
Yes, they're brewed right this afternoon.
Yeah. Get us the freshest brew we can make, Phil, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's looking good. I think we turned on the pressure a little bit.
Someone out there must have tried a Stella before. We're trying to brew the original 5.5%.
But do you know? Put in your comments below.
Where is it?
Light up, light up.
I mean, I think we should be honest with the viewers. We made this originally. This is a pleasing Pilsner, and it was bloody lovely.
And when did you make it? About a year ago. I think it's oxidised.
You're not enjoying it, are you, Dan?
I'm not enjoying it.
Drink your beer fresh.
Yeah.
We are doing something, though. We turned on for something.
Yeah, we're going to do the gravity reading.
Right.
Gravity, it's confusing me. Super furry animals. So what number are we looking for, Phil?
We need to be in the high 60s now.
Trying to get the original Stella Artois, not the diluted version down.
The suspenders are killing me.
Yeah, I can't get believe. See that? You have a look.
That's clear as nuts, that is.
Is it? Not on my eye, wasn't it?
1.06. Between 7 and 8. Nobody said it was easy. Nobody said it'd be this hard. The blue beer.
Lifting the grains, something that always goes wrong, so watch this because I'm sure Phil's going to screw up somewhere along the line. Yeah. Oh, 2 peanuts. We're going to lift the grains.
These the grains. The beer's still rough. Put my pond water there. If you watched the last video, boom! Found his nice clean pipe.
Yeah. Come on, doggy, let's go out.
I reckon this is going to be a gorgeous Stella. I told Dan a great story about when I had my haircut today. Should I tell the viewers?
No, because it's sexual innuendos and it's not allowed on this channel. What are you laughing at, Phil?
Innuendos?
Innuendos?
I love that word. I'm going to move over here a little bit more.
Whoa! I'm ready to lift the grains, Phil.
That's far too much excitement for one day. So, all we've got in there is Pilsner. Pilsner. Pilsner.
Mine's the one with more left because I hate it. Do you want to drink mine?
Get into it, son.
Oh.
There's a bit more left, mate. Oh, it's a bit murky, isn't it? Boom, 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 boom. I think we'll call it a day on that, should we? No, let's top Dan up.
No, Phil, I heard that.
We'll put this in the compost then.
We got the target gravity at 153.
So should I knock this up to boil then now?
Yeah, if you're not coming to boil, I'll put 2 more in.
Right. So this is the Brewster beacon. We're going to put manual. There we go. We're going to put temperature. And then we're going to choose, see down here, 67. We're going to put that to, in this kettle it goes boil. There we go, up to boil. And we'll put timer. How long do you want to boil for, Dan?
At least 45 minutes.
45. So we'll knock from 60 down to 45 because brew day is running over a bit tonight, isn't it, mate?
We're a bit behind.
And then we'll hit start.
It was a grain delivery.
So when that hits 100,
we heard that.
It'll boil for 45. So we've got 30 degrees to go. Hear the off button.
I was going to say something very clever and intellectual. Intellectual.
Okay, there's more than I can do, Dan. So take it away. The floor is yours.
Yeah. So actually, Phil, what actually happened in the barbers?
Yeah. Can't tell you.
You can tell us, Phil.
Put a comment down below if you want to hear what happened in the barbers.
What do you think happened in the barbers?
We need to get on with it, Dan, because
We do.
the time is passing on. We're really late.
We could be hammered, mate, by the end.
Oh my goodness, it's going to be like 2 in the morning. We're going to be like 2 drunken. Stop. Go.
Oh, the pipe.
Oh, the pipe.
So the Victor said?
We're looking for 5.5% beer because it's a Stella Artois.
Original.
Yeah, from France. Oh, I like to drip the end. We want an original gravity of 0.52 to give us a 5.5% beer if we get down to 10.10. And this is 4.8 or
But
something.
we will lose, put too much in there and we're going to lose some during the boil.
We'll boil off a little bit, won't we?
Of course we will.
Yeah, Dan's on it. He's the man. We're all right.
We're okay. I think it's a new beer, Phil. Drink yours up, because...
Dan's been pouring this bloody beer down my throat. I'm actually 16th of April 2023.
Okay.
Dan likes his beers to mature.
Oh, scoop of head.
Hey, look at that. That looks pretty good.
Looks good. Clarity is very good. Mine is better than yours.
Let's not talk about my clarity.
Yeah. I much prefer this one. 2023 must have been vintage. Vintage.
I had a little poll going on the YouTube today. We're brewing tonight. What should we do? Should we spider, sock or no sock? So, what was the verdict, Dan? I can't find where the poll is.
Phil!
Oh, oh, where's the spoon? Get the spoon in there.
Oh, we need to forget about bloody poles. We just need to get the hops in. Get the spider, Phil. Okay, just get the spider.
What do you want to do? Do you want
Just get the bloody spider.
Again with bloody spider.
Get the spider.
Spider or not to spider? We're spidering again.
Artois?
Just
Artois. V-R-T.
94 grams of Saaz hop.
Sassy. Oh, I can't
hang on, don't do it yet. Your glasses.
I know.
Sit down. Yeah, go for it.
Phil, I'm steaming, son.
Go for it, sausage. I had a family emergency, I left. And then came back.
And I'd cleaned all the stuff inside. I'd set up the equipment there. I put in the tablet, I threw in the hops, and we had a boil over.
Look at this, Brewers. Oh,
Look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So fair play, Dan, for trying his hardest, but...
one person can't be in the room, while the other person's in here, if they're not in here.
No. When you're doing like 50 litres.
We were doing 50 litres, we've gone down slightly after the boil over, but
Well, if you haven't seen any of this, because you haven't recorded any of it.
I was too busy cleaning up.
We'll see in a minute.
So what we're going to do is pull off the 2 lids.
Pull off the 2 lids.
And we're going to start putting the worts into the fermenter.
Right, let's go, let's do it.
Yeah.
So for the newbies, we are high, so we can get a lot of oxygen into his brew.
Oxygenation. So what's pitching temperature, Phil?
17 degrees, Dan.
Is it? Good.
Where are the little fellas anyway, the inside?
What are you on about? The yeast. The yeast is in the packet. Oh, yes.
Oh, the smell. You can't beat the smell, Dan, can you?
Gorgeous. Question is do we finish off with a whiskey tonight?
Oh, who wants to look in there? Do you want to have a look in there? Focus. No, focus.
Is that you talking to you with the camera?
Look at that dirty nonsense in there.
I should take a gravity reading.
Oh, it smells wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so we said 100. Ooh! Oh,
I've just lost him all about, mate. We're going to have a look. Anyway,
I'm holding 2 ends, 2 pipes.
1.050. Right, if I go to Brew Day Tool app, Brewing Tools, ABV calculator, original gravity, what did I say? 1.050.
50. Yeah.
What are we getting down to? Final gravity?
12.
1.012. It's 4.99%. So that's okay.
Okay, so we haven't done too badly. But the main thing is, it's a taste test. Yeah.
Both the same, right?
Oh, look at all that froth, Phil.
So this is a Bohemian Rhapsody.
Mama!
Ooh!
Look. We're sealed, we're in. Look at that. Oh, and just try and get your...
big dump.
Let's get into the hole. But which country is Stella Artois from?
Which do we think is going to be the nicest? The commercial Stella or our Stella? Stella's been known to have quite a few different names.
But we call it Stella.
Cheers, Dan. Head's gone already.
There's no head on that, is there? Perhaps not my first choice for lager. Obviously that one is clearer
Yep.
because it's been filtered. But have they filtered the goodness? The goodness of the beer. Let's have a smell.
Taste. Oh, it's just tasty, isn't it?
Yeah. Out of the two, there's no comparison. There's no comparison.
No comparison.
Between the two.
Ditch the commercial. Go for this. Right?
Yeah. Hand me glass.
Okay.
That's the commercial one.
Next one.
That's commercial. Yeah, it has not the same. Yeah, that's not the same.
Let's see if I can do it.
If you can't, there's no point watching the rest of this video, guys, because there's a huge difference in the two. Close your eyes, he said. He sat there watching it.
So what we're going to do with this, Dan? We've got 3 more tins. Have a top up.
Homemade Stella.
We love homemade stuff.
Yeah, cheers, Phil.
Cheers, guys.